Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Both devices charged, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on, and you signed into iCloud on the iPhone. Once ready, open the Apple Watch app and tap Start Pairing. Position the watch face within the iPhone camera frame and hold steady. The animation should center in the viewfinder. If the automatic camera method fails, choose Pair manually at the bottom and tap the watch's info icon, then enter the 6-digit code shown on the watch. You now decide whether to restore from a backup or start fresh. Restoring saves apps and settings and speeds the process. Once you pick Restore from Backup, follow prompts to select the latest backup and wait while content downloads. Make sure to enable location services and Siri when asked so features work correctly. If activation lock appears, sign into the Apple ID used previously. This removes the lock. Finally, create a passcode on the watch to protect data and enable Apple Pay if desired. You finish by letting the watch and iPhone complete the sync. Keep them adjacent and plugged in if possible, since app data and media may take 10 to 30 minutes. Once synced, verify health and activity settings, enable notifications you want, and customize watch faces. If the process stalls or pairing fails, power off both devices and restart them, then attempt pairing again. Make sure activation lock is removed by signing into the prior Apple ID. That single step often resolves.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.